Hello friends, so PAVS has lost its sheen and it is like a free fall which is happening on the long term price chart of a Paranovus entertainment technology where the ticker symbol is PAVS and you can clearly see the stock knows nothing and if you are thinking about any support it has already been taken down and let me show you. I mean, all the important support levels has already been taken down, and the stock is in a kind of free fall situation. So, if you are thinking that the stock has fallen quite massively and there lies an opportunity, maybe there will be an or there is an, but nobody knows that. That is the problem which we have. And if you are taking any position over here, then you must understand the consequences if things does not work out. So I have drawn all the levels which I could, and you can clearly see that this particular stock is trading and sustaining, actually trading above all these levels. The only thing which is left is this support level. If you want to find your comfort, then you may use 0.021 as your big support level as well as your stop loss, below which you will see further correction. So if you think that the stock may start rising higher once again from this current position, I mean, you are talking about a possibility or probability which may or may not exist. Okay, but what does exist is a big correction which is clearly visible. So make sure that the stock is not falling below 0.02 or lower, otherwise the next down move will start. And if you are so very optimistic, then let the stock at least trade and sustain above 0.12. That will not give you any big confirmation, but it will at least tell you that this particular stock has intensity to move higher. Now if you have only one stock in your kitty and at the end of the day you want to buy this one, then the big recovery will only start, or if you try to find any hope, now for that the stock must surpass and sustain above 7.17 or 7.2. So that is the kind of risk which we have in this particular stock right now, and whatever trend we have, here we are, whatever this stock is trading in between this particular range, this broad range, and you can clearly see that it's been a relentless downtrend which is going on. So yes, there is an opportunity. Let me remove all these lines so that you can clearly see what is happening and what may probably happen. So yes, there is an opportunity, but the risk is extremely high in this case. You may find an upside, but whether it's going to be a sustainable one or not, that is something you must judge with your own instincts. And if you fail to do it, you will end up losing money. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.